Dear students, this is Devs Academy. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. At the same time, press the bell icon. Okay? Thank you. Today, we will get some solved stoichiometry. This is from stoichiometry, mole concept, stoichiometry, chemistry. Numerical from stoichiometry. Very important part, and I have done it very nicely. That means you can very easily understand this if you only put your concentration on this solved part. Question number 1: what volume of propane is burned for every 500 cc of O2, that means oxygen, used in the reaction under the same condition? This is propane and this is oxygen. When they react, the reaction is like this. The solution is very easy. Propane plus oxygen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. When any carbohydrate, carbon, hydrogen, that is hydrocarbon bonds in oxygen, presence of oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and water. This is one volume. After balancing, this is one volume, this is 5 volume, this is 3 volume, this is 4 volume. According to the given reaction, this is. Now 5 volumes of oxygen used for combustion of 1 volume of C3H3. This is the problem. We have to solve it out. So volume of propane burned equal to, it will be 1/5. This is 1/5 of 500, that is 100 cc. This is answer. 100 cc propane will burn. This is answer. Next question is 20 milliliter of each oxygen and hydrogen and 10 milliliter of carbon monoxide are exploded in an enclosure. What will be the volume of composition of the mixture of the gases when they are cooled to room temperature? The first one, hydrogen, when they react with oxygen, hydrogen and oxygen when reacts, it forms water. That is, it is after balancing we will get 2 volume, it is 1 volume, it is 2 volume. When it is 20, it is half, it will be, that is 20 ml. 10 ml. This is 20 ml, 2 into 10, it will be 1 into 10, that is 10 ml. Okay, now carbon monoxide. In case of carbon monoxide, after balancing the equation, we will get, it is 2 volume, it is 1 volume, this is 2 volume. And when it is 2, it is 10. When it is 1, it will be 1/2, that is 1/2 into 10, 5 ml. So quantity of volume of oxygen will be used here, 10 ml, and this is 5 ml. The 10 plus 5 equal to 15 ml. So unreacted oxygen will be left 20. It is given 20 ml of oxygen was given, 20 ml. 20 ml of oxygen was given, and so the rest or unreacted is 5 ml only. And volumes of oxygen, carbon dioxide produced 10 ml. 10 ml carbon dioxide will produced. Here it is 10 ml. Carbon dioxide 10 ml. And volume of water, this is quite insignificant. Next, from stoichiometry, you have to find out this. The compound M has the following percentage composition by mass: carbon 26.7%, oxygen 71.17%. It is 71.17%, and hydrogen 2.2%. We have to determine the empirical formula of M when H equal to 1, C equal to 12 and O equal to 16. If the relative molecular mass of M is 90, what is the molecular formula of M? We have to find out. Very easily we have done it, and if you follow this data, that means this table, you can very easily solve other problems too. I will solve the other problems, so many problems for you. Don't be disappointed, I will do so much for you. So it is given that element carbon, oxygen and hydrogen is like this. Carbon is 26.7%, oxygen is 71.17%, and hydrogen is 2.2%. It is their atomic masses is like this: 12, 16 and 1. Carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Now the percentage of atomic mass will be, we have to divide this like this way, and we will get 2.2, 4.4, 2.2 like this. To find out the simplest ratio, we have to divide with this 2.2, the minimum one. We have to divide with this 2.2, which is very minimum, and it is 1, 2 and 1. 1 is to 2 is to 1 it will be. So empirical formula of it will be carbon 1, oxygen 2 and hydrogen will be 1. Now the calculate the molecular formula of the compound. Empirical formula, it will be mass is, it is given, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen is given, so it is 45, and molecular mass given that it is 90 by 45, it is 2. So the molecular formula is N into empirical formula. If you remember this, you can solve so many problems by this way. This is the formula of the hydrocarbon. Next one, very interesting sum. A boy puts his signature with a graphite pencil. If the mass of carbon in the signature is 10 into 10 to the power 12 gram, calculate the number of carbon atoms in the signature. Mass of carbon, it is given 10 into 10 to the power minus 12 gram. Number of moles will be, it will be divided by 12. So 1 mole of carbon has this atoms, so this will have this much. It is expressed in standard form now. Anyway, follow Dev's Academy to score a good total. Okay, thank you. This much today.